Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And today guys, I'm cooking food for dinner tonight. So I cook a simple and easy food for our dinner. So tara guys, samahan niyo ako. Magluluto ako ng aming dinner. Ayan guys, ito yung aking na-marinate na buttered chicken wings. Then we have shrimp. Yung shrimp namin guys, ibo-boil ko lang siya. Then I have a broccoli. Then this is my vegetable spring rolls, carrot and chayote. And the ingredients are onion, no, shallot, and butter. Then I have butter. Then I add cheese, sugar. This is our bok choy vegetable for our soup. So, nag-boiled na ako. Ayan guys, nag-boiled na ako ng aming pork bones. Okay guys, lulutuin ko muna ang aking vegetable spring roll. Tara. I put butter. And then our shallot, onion. We soak our shallot into butter para more yummy. The taste is yummy because of the butter. Okay. Medyo golden brown na siya. No, ilalagay na natin ang ating carrot. Lagyan natin ng kaunting tubig guys para hindi siya masyadong dry. So kailangan siya may konting water. Yan. So cover it with for a moment guys. Okay guys, dry na siya. Pwede na natin siyang lagyan ng ating sugar. Okay, sugar first. Para medyo manamis-namis siya guys. Okay, medyo dry siya eh. Ano na siya. Dagdagan natin siya ng kaunting tubig. Add a little bit of water so that it's not look too dry. We add a little bit of salt. Okay. And then after this, we try if the vegetable is soft. Not yet. Simmer for a while guys because it's not really soft. Okay, then let's add our cheese. Okay. Don't put too much guys, it depends on your taste. A half of cheese only. Depende sa portion ng inyong vegetable. I think this is enough. Let's try. Yummy. So, ito na siya guys. Let's cool down first before we wrap it. Okay, then let's cook our fried chicken wing. Put the bok choy first. Okay. This is our soup. Very simple Very simple soup lang siya. Yeah. Pork bones, bok choy vegetable, and tofu. Yung tofu for steam, guys. Kasi malambot siya. And then, your soup is very yummy. Okay. Fried chicken wings, guys. I marinate this into salt. Chicken wings, guys. I marinated into salt, pepper, concentrated chicken, and powder mix. Mixed powder. Yeah. The one I used before when I cooked crispy fried chicken. Very simple. Ayan. Okay, my soup, guys. I don't have a microwave cooking, so I put the bok choy vegetable. These are simple soup, and then later on I add the tofu. The tofu I use, guys, is those for steam tofu. For steam. Ayan. Ito yung fried chicken. This is our fried chicken wings. Okay, guys, this is our fried chicken wings. Ayan, very nice. Very yummy. And crispy. Wow. Guys, ito na yung ating soup na bok choy. So, ito yung tofu na gagamitin ko. This is the tofu, the one I used to put inside. Ayan. Yung soup niya, guys. White and very yummy. Then, after you serve, guys, before you serve, guys, you put a little bit of salt. Okay? Ayan. Then, let's cover for a while. Then, let's wrap our spring roll vegetable, guys. Okay, let's start to wrap our vegetable spring roll, guys. Okay, guys, natapos ko na i-wrap ang aking vegetable spring roll. Ayan, ready to fry na. So I heat oil in the wok. So let's ready to fry. Okay, samahan niyo na ako, guys. Okay, guys, our vegetable spring rolls is done. And now this is ready to eat. Okay, guys, ayan. Nag-boil na ako ng aming broccoli. Let's boil this for a while, guys. Ayan. Yung ating broccoli. Much better daw, guys, na i-boil natin, no? Kaysa i-steam. Kasi mamamatay yung enzyme sa vegetable. Especially sa guys, sa broccoli. Kasi inuod itong broccoli, guys. Okay? So, ilagay na natin sa serving plate. Hindi kami kakain ng rice, guys. I eat more vegetable tonight. Hindi naman sila kakain ng marami. Okay. Okay. So, ayan na yung ating boiled broccoli. I love it. Yung ating shrimp. Okay. nagpakulo na rin ako ng water. Ayan guys. So, ilalagay ko na siya. Mabilis lang ito siya guys. So, ayan. Lagyan ko lang siya ng salt para malasa yung ating shrimp pag kinain mo na siya, no? Ganun lang kasimple guys. No? Ayan. Takpan mo lang siya. Then, wait for a few minutes, guys, and then luto na siya and ready to serve. Okay, guys, this is shrimp, crispy fried chicken, and our broccoli, boiled broccoli. Very yummy. And this is our spring roll vegetable, or vegetable spring roll. This is our dinner for tonight. Thank you for watching, guys. So hot. Ayan. This is our meal for tonight. Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Shenra.